I was born in Krakow. I grew up in Krakow. My whole childhood, my whole life was Krakow.
We came here to start dreaming with new place, with new people, with new country.
It was exciting, but it was terrifying in the same time because I was changing my life completely.
You really miss your family, all of that circle of help and support.
I feel like a floating balloons. I am not attached. The wind just brought me here and I am almost disconnected from myself.
It's connecting people just to each other because we're all human.
So we don't feel alone, really. We feel as one family, or really people who are connected. Dziękuję Państwu za przybycie. Thank you for coming to the 17th Polish Arts Festival. Woo! We're absolutely delighted to be here with you in the Limerick City Gallery of Art. 17 years in Limerick, that's a lot. And every year we are growing stronger. Every year.
We are still discovering the truth about ourselves, who we are, what we want to do, what is bringing the joy in our lives.
Where do I belong?
What are we to do and how are we to design our life or do things?
It's a time to actually show other side of us. It's also time for us to open, just maybe get our sensitivity to take a voice. And by doing that, we will show that we have a rich culture, we have a rich tradition. We are artists in our everyday life, really and truly.